So here we go, guys. Leke Prabhu ka naam. This is where I enter Hospet, crossing the river. Across the river, there is Hampi. In 10 kilometers behind that hill, which you see in the screen. Nice banana shops. Ye lucky banana. So common out here. Ayana. Hi, scooter. Okay. Nice serene river, nice lush green. I'm really amazed by these rocks, the rock formation here. The mountain has disintegrated into small pieces of rocks. I think with time, water, wind, especially water, it has cut through the mountain, splitting the whole mountain into tiny pieces of rocks. Hello. Yeah, Jai Gau Mata ki. Now let's move forward. Welcome to the medieval India. Stone Age. There is this intense magnetic field around. Oh, this seems interesting. Some people sleeping. Nice banana trees. I think these are the bananas which we saw on the way the Anna was selling. Ye lucky bananas. And now we get to this Flintstones kind of village. It's so awesome to see all this. It was a huge settlement back in centuries ago, back in maybe 1200s, even before. Carved out of mountains, big stones. Let's move forward. Now, this is what I stopped for. Jai Shri